Good morning, everybody. We've come downtown today because the sky looks like this. But it's still sunny enough. I left my sunglasses in the car because I was like, ooh, it's not really gonna be sunny. You can already feel it start to like spit a little bit. Take a left. Okay, we're taking a left. Oh, and the wind is picking up. Ah! So yeah, we're gonna walk around. It's gonna rain. I have a rain jacket. We'll just see what happens. Wander. Get some walking in. Get some leg stretches. Yeah. Now it's raining. 2 seconds later. Now we're good. How do you feel about not packing your raincoat now? I dry. I'm a human. It'll be fine. I'm bringing back the old Duffer hat from the 90s. Yes. Hey, it's got a red stripe. It matches. Oh, they're sized. They're so fashionable. Got people taking little puppies out for walks everywhere. Little puppy dog. Little puppy dog. We stopped in to just grab a quick drink. The rain pretty much stopped and it's kind of warm again, but it's still like that like sunny overcast. But this is a cute little cafe that we're in, which is owned by a Canadian because of that, the Jays. But it's definitely, yeah, it's cute. We're gonna find lunch I think soon. All the stores are like exactly the same. They need some variety. There's really not that many of them, but they have like the buildings for them. So yeah, we just wandered. But I love the people downtown like taking the stray puppies. All the puppies are ones because the whole island has like just dogs that inhabit it. So they take the puppies. A lot of people actually buy them, and you can take them out and you can take them for walks and like you can bring them out. So they're super cute. We've come out for lunch now. And we were originally sitting inside, but it's like open air on the windows, and more rain started coming through. It was like more than like a heavy mist. It was just like kind of raining on us through the windows. So we moved to this other place. Hopefully they've got like plastic on the windows here. So we're kind of inside, but I guess there's a hole in the ceiling. You can kind of see the drips up there. That tiny little dot right there is kind of dripping right next to Alex. It's fine. It's fine. We got food. We're so hungry. 2 grouper sandwiches, blackened and original. Narrowly escaped the rain. We got a little bit rained on our walk. Not too bad. But we've come back now to just chill. It's raining pretty much on and off, intermittent, all day. So we've just made some snacks. Like, it's a snack, right? Your sandwich is a snack. Alex made a sandwich. Well, because like we've already had lunch, but it's not really dinner time. I'm having a piece of toast. What did we have for lunch? What did we have for lunch?
Oh, we had those sandwiches.
Yeah, we did. Yeah, it just took like an hour to get them. Goober. So yeah, now we're having other lunch, I suppose, in Alex's mind, and we're gonna watch something on Netflix. Because that's what happens. It's not always perfect in paradise.
It is paradise.
Even though it's raining, it's still perfect. We're still here. I just did a workout, and now Alex is making a drink, bartender. And I'm having some leftovers from yesterday. Workout was good. Workout was hot, but it's still gross out. So we're just gonna go ham on our beachness tomorrow and kind of the next morning or so. But So what happens when it rains? You just chill. So we're just chilling. We're watching a documentary series called Rotten, right? Called Rotten. And there's episodes about the food industry and some of the crap that happens, and it's just good educational fun. Yesterday, 2 days ago, we finished Comedians in Cars Getting Coffee. Finished it. We have no more of that left, which is sad because it was really fun. On to the next one. On to the next binge-worthy series.